Hi everyone, this is RV, and today we are going to calculate risk-adjusted performance measure, Modigliani, that is M squared. So let's start. First, we are going to import library. All right, so this is GSPC. Okay, perfect. Now, before we start, I'm going to show you the formula of M squared, which is equal to return of portfolio plus Sharpe ratio into volatility of market, which is index here, S&P 500 index, and volatility of portfolio. Also, there is one more formula of M squared. You will find this on website. So let me show you that as well. Now, here we are going to use the formula where we are using Sharpe ratio. So you will find a lot of literature on the website. I'll put some link in the description below, so you can also check and understand the interpretation of M squared. All right, so now we need to calculate return of portfolio and volatility of portfolio as well as index. Plus, we need to calculate Sharpe ratio. So let's start. So I'm going to calculate Apple return that is equal to data. There are so many ways to calculate or grab the information. So what I'm going to do is IOC. So I'm giving the location of the data, which is -1. So that's the last price over data dot Apple first price, which is 0. And then I'm going to subtract it by -1. Let's run this. All right. There is one more way to calculate return. So that is chain link method. So if you are calculating M square of basically a mutual fund, so you can use chain link method. Either way, the number will be same, but just for the sake of some knowledge, so I'm just calculating. Let me just change it. First, we need to calculate percentage change, which is percentage change, of course, daily. And then for chain link, I'm going to say +1. Also, I need to take a product of this return. So for that, what I'm going to do, NP dot product, and in the end, I will subtract it by -1. Let's check. So both the numbers are same. There is no difference, which means we can use either. That would be fine. Now we need to calculate Apple standard deviation, which is volatility. So I'm just going to copy this line and put it here. And then I'm going to calculate standard deviation of Apple. Do this. Perfect. I'm going to copy this and put it here. And I'm going to say S and P. Here I also need to change S and P. Okay, so for index, since it contains the exponent sign, so we need to write it under bracket, and we need to pass the column in this way. So let's run this. All right. Now we need to calculate Sharpe ratio. So Sharpe ratio, you're already familiar with Sharpe ratio is how I have calculated in the previous video. So I will put the link of that video here in the description, and then you can also access that directly. All right, so what I'm going to do is Apple return. I gotta take either, no worries. And then risk-free rate 2% I'm taking. So, and here I'm gonna take standard deviation. So Sharpe ratio is equal to 27. Okay. All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate M square, which is return of portfolio. So return of portfolio, I'm assuming that we have only one stock in the portfolio, that is Apple, and then plus Sharpe ratio into volatility of market. So we do have volatility of market minus volatility of, sorry, Apple, M square. Perfect. So this is the M square. So that's it for today. Hope you like the video. Hope it's valuable and informative for you. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel if you still didn't subscribe it, and like my video as well. And also please share it with your friends and colleagues. And please let me know if it's helpful for you in the comment section below. Thanks.